Hey, what's up? It's Wick for xiaomify, and today we're looking at the RedMi Band. A cheaper Mi Band alternative? But can it really be any good? Well, let's find out. Let's go. In the box, we've got the RedMi Band and a small instruction booklet, and that's all.
Really, this is...
The RedMi Band is 5.8 by 2 by 1.6 centimeters in size. It weighs only 18 grams, and it's got around a 1-inch TFT full-color display with touch interface. And that display has got a 16-bit 128 by 220 pixels resolution with a brightness of 200 nits. It's got a 130 milliamp hour battery that gives you up to 14 days of battery life per charge. It's got Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity to connect to your phone, and it's got a 5 ATM waterproof rating, meaning it can go up to 50 meters underwater, so you can easily swim and shower with it. On the front, it's got a touch key to activate the screen or to go back in the menu. The strap is suitable for most wrists as it's got an adjustable length of 15 to 20 centimeters. And on the inside, it's got a vibration motor to notify you of incoming notifications. It's got a PPG heart rate sensor and a triaxial accelerometer for step counting and to be used as a fitness tracker, sleep tracker, and for its movement reminder for when you've been sitting too long. So it doesn't come with a charger, which kind of surprised me at first. Until I found out that you can actually find its USB plug by pulling off the strap. This was not easy, as it didn't really come off that easily.
Okay, that's tight as hell.
But once it's off, it only needs 2 hours of charging for its 14-day battery life. So that's pretty good. Once you have the band, you'll need to install it through your phone with the Xiaomi Wear app. I didn't even have that app. Once you've downloaded it, it's quite easy to pair, and from the app you can set some basic functions. You can set which notifications you want to be pushed through to the band. You can download some new watch faces from an enormous list of watch faces.
Oh. Okay, that is a lot. Okay, so the lack of bands is definitely not gonna be one of the things here. I mean, there's bands for life.
You can set up alarms, and besides that, you can track your activity data, heart rate data, and sleep data. So now, how is the watch? On the watch, you'll find the usual suspects in terms of apps and functionality. You can navigate through its menu by swiping up or down on a display, and here you'll find activity and movement data under status. It's got heart rate data, which will measure your heart rate. You can start an exercise program, which has running, cycling, and walking exercise tracking. It can show you weather data. It's got a list of notifications that have been pushed through to the band, and a More menu where you'll find a stopwatch, do not disturb settings, a timer, alarm settings, find my phone options, and a settings menu from where you can basically just change the brightness of the display, restart the watch, or reset it to its factory settings. From the watch face, you can swipe to the right to quick access the music controller, which can play the music on your phone, and swiping to the right will launch Alipay on the band, but it will probably be something different on an international release if that will ever come. So how is it in use? Well, overall it works. I mean, it shows the time. You can set it up to show the time when you raise your wrist from the app, and it's pretty much doing what it is supposed to do. But you can surely notice that it's a trimmed down version of the Mi Band. It's got fewer fitness trackers, as for example, there's no swimming tracker. Also, the display is surely not as good, and the touch input did not feel as responsive as on the Mi Band. Sure, the majority of the functionality seems very similar, but it's just not what you would have on the Mi Band. It is quite a bit thicker, or at least it is perceived to be a lot thicker because of that very rectangular design. And frankly, it feels quite chunky for such a simple smart band. So now a very important question is, what is its price then? Well, the RedMi Band came out in China in the Xiaomi store for 99 RMB, which is around $14 or around 12.5 euros at the moment. As of right now, it is only out in China, and I've put down some links to where you can check it out if you want to grab it. But first, what do I think after wearing it for over 10 days now? Well, like I said, it is chunky. That's the first takeaway.
I'm not sure yet. I'm not sold on this. I mean, especially looking at it from an angle like this, it is quite a bulky device.
It's quite a bit too big for what it should be. It is lacking quite a few features from what you would have on a Mi Band, and therefore it is a RedMi Band. So it's really targeted at those that have a smaller budget. This by itself, I mean, is a good thing, but I'm frankly not very excited about the RedMi Band. As the Mi Band 4 goes for 169 RMB, which is around $8 or $9 more than this RedMi Band, it surely has a lot more going for it. It's not all that bad. I mean, it's got a fitness tracker, it's got the raise your wrist to enable it, it's got the heart rate monitor, you can set all the timers and receive all your notifications on the band as well. And even the vibration motor is pretty much the same as you would have on the Mi Band. So I would say if you really want to get the RedMi Band and this is exactly what you're looking for, go get it, don't wait. But if you have to save up 1 or 2 months to get the RedMi Band, then you might want to consider saving a month more and just get the Mi Band 4. Especially with the Mi Band 5 coming out relatively soon, I'm guessing the price of the Mi Band 4 will drop. So there's probably going to be a much better deal on the Mi Band 4, and it's probably going to be worth the wait as well. So what do you guys think of the RedMi Band? Is this something that you really want to go and pick up? Or are you waiting for the Mi Band 5 to drop so you can get a better deal on the 4? Let me know down here what your thoughts are. And don't forget to leave a little like below the video to show me that you liked it. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, well then know that you probably should, because I'm doing a ton of videos about products from Xiaomi and the Xiaomi ecosystem right here on the Xiaomify channel. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see y'all soon. Peace.